Let's see if the 307D starts up. It's not been started for a few weeks. Not even checked the battery. Let's have a look. Cold start up. Battery lights on, which is normal. Go off in a minute, give it a little bit of a rev. There you go, first time. 2 to 3 weeks. Can't beat these old classics. No choke. Don't use a choke on this. Doesn't seem to need it. I think I'll do a driving video soon. Go for a bit of a drive in it. I've driven it for a little while. That'd be quite cool. I've got a GoPro now, so I'll attach it to it and go for a little drive and see what we can do. So it's a British vehicle, so it's in miles per hour. It's done 87,000 miles. It's even got a fuel gauge sensor light, which is quite unusual. I think the bulb's gone on it, but I've not seen another one with one on there. So if anyone's got one, let me know, because I've never seen another T1 with this fuel light. So if you've got one, let me know, it'd be interesting to know. That's it, just a short video. I'll make another one soon.